Hello guys, so I'm up for my shower and I'm gonna do my skincare routine because a lot of you guys are asking, and that literally is my skincare like stuff. So starting off first with the toner pad, because we cannot go wrong with a toner pad, and this is the one that I've been using. This is from Round Lab. This is the Pine Calming Cica pad, and it has Cica inside. So what does Cica do? It literally just calms your skin and whatnot. And as you can see, I sort of have a bit of breakouts, and I'm still healing from my like acne. So Cica is always gonna do. And since it is the end of the day, I also make sure that I do my ears as well. You need to get the back of your ears as well, like so. And yeah, next I'm going to go in with this, the Bring Green Zinc Teca Blemish Serum. This is I cannot go wrong with this. I think this is my fourth bottle because I used two other refills that were literally like the same size as this. So yeah, so this is my fourth bottle technically, and I love it. Cannot go wrong with that. Next, this is the Round Lab Pine Calming Cica Ampoule. So like I said before, Cica literally is the key, and this is like transparent, so I like that. I have tried lots of different types of Cica related stuff, and I did try the Parnell one. No hate to Parnell, and as you can see, I used like almost all of it, but I didn't really see such a huge difference with the Parnell one. But with this, I feel like it's better with the Round Lab one. I don't know, maybe it's just my skin just reacting differently, but yeah, that's what's happening. And like I told you before, you have to make sure you use your serum so that the more watery ones are first and whatnot. But these days I've been doing whatever I can grab, I just use. And also this is the Jenabelle PDRN Vita Toner Ampoule. And this is also good. It has PDRN inside, and I feel like PDRN is good for healing and whatnot. And I've been using lots of different PDRNs, and I use the Anua one. I've used the Anua one. Oh my god, my camera literally just dived. Anyways, I've used the Anua PDRN. That is good, love it, but it's so expensive. And I guess, as a girly that has a lot of skincare and gets a lot of skincare, it's like, I cannot pay that price right now. So, later on maybe, but I actually have a breakout here as well. But I'll take this off just for the video. Next, I've also been using this from Labium. This is the Pore Reset Tightening Ampoule, and I actually like this. I don't know if it's like doing wonders for my pores, but I like it, and I like how hydrating it is. So I've been using this at night. You might be saying, oh my god, Rachel, why do you have like 5 different types of serums on your face? And the reason is because I can, and it's good for me. And it's okay if you have a lot of like hydration related like serums on your face, because it's not all like in relating to adding in more stuff. It's just adding hydration, and hydration literally is good, and you can never have too much hydration basically, and that's where I've heard stuff. So if it's stuff like stuff that's heavy, then it's bad, and it might break you out. But this is literally just hydration, so there's no need to worry about that. And yeah, of course afterwards we are going to go in. Where's my eye cream? I can't find my eye cream, so I'm just gonna use this. This is the Delaborn Dual Repair Eye and Lash Cream. This is supposed to be like an eye cream, but it also is like a lash cream as well. I don't know if it's doing good for my lashes as well, but you know the thing with eye cream, it's like we're gonna pretend it works. We don't know if it actually works, like, allegedly, but I don't know. But it's okay. It hasn't broken me out or anything, so I feel like that's good. And last but not least, for cream, I'm gonna use the BioHill Pentacell Repair Cica Cream because Cica. And then I'm gonna do my like mini facial. Got to do the lifting. And so basically, I've been trying to incorporate other stuff into my skincare routine, but turns out that it's literally not doing well because I need Cica, aka I need that like acne prone like substance. I need that like acne suppressant substance in my acne prone skin. So yeah, this is what I've been using these days. And as you can see, like they're not new products. They're literally like, I've been using them and they're like not new. It's not like I'm doing the unboxing now, not sponsored, whatever. So, and on Friday, I'm going to another K-beauty like fair / beauty thingy. So hopefully, if I get more skincare, then I can try out more stuff and I'll let you know how I like it. So yeah, and don't forget your neck as well. So yeah, I hope that helped, and this is my updated skincare routine. So bye.